The Practical Dreamer's Handbook by Paul and Sarah Edwards promises to teach you how to find the time, money, and energy to live the life you want to live. Today we're diving in to see just how much this book delivers on that promise. Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. I'm Deb, and on today's book review challenge, we're looking at The Practical Dreamer's Handbook by Paul and Sarah Edwards. This book reads as kind of a memoir-infused roadmap showing how the authors manifested the things that they wanted in their lives. Now, if this sounds a little woo-woo, I assure you, I understand. Just about any guide that talks about manifesting is going to sound that way to those who are sensitive or triggered by mental work that hinges on belief. Still, it can be read in such a way where the reader can glean much useful information about how to achieve things in your life that you want without getting mired in those ingrained hang-ups. This book offers a lot of tips and tricks about finding a way forward and following through on it. Sounds pretty practical so far. One thing I did struggle with was reading through the long bits of memoirish stuff to get to what I felt like I was actually reading the book for. The memoir bits just really didn't appeal to me. This problem can be solved by skipping to the try this sections at the end of each chapter and gleaning that information and then working backwards through the chapter to see how each of those things is implemented. To me, this helped tremendously. Does it live up to his promise? In short, yes. If the reader takes the time to work through it, this book delivers on that promise very well. In full disclosure, I did not make it to the end of this book in the allotted time. These things don't happen overnight. But this brings me to the code word for this month's video, which is believe. Believe in your vision, believe in yourself, believe that we will be back next month with another book review video. And don't forget to subscribe, right? You want to subscribe, you want to click the little notification bell because you want to get notified each time we drop a video. And if you haven't yet, you want to go back and watch all of the 2024 book review challenge videos, collect all of those code words. And then after the December book review, which will actually be a week before the end of December to give us time to, collect all the answers, you'll want to email all of your code words to cattailacres@gmail.com. And we will, for everyone who collects all the code words, we will put your name in a drawing and we will announce the winner on New Year's Eve at midnight. And don't forget to watch all of this year's book review videos because you'll want to collect all of those code words and be sure to enter in this year's big New Year's Eve drawing. I'll put all of the information for that down below. Till next time, y'all be safe, be well, and we'll see you.